Hey, to take screenshots without using the power button or volume buttons on the Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can use swipe gesture, so you have to use your palm and swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right one, like this. Take a look. As you can see, the screen is flashing and the screenshot was taken. So now we can open it in the gallery, for example. And here it is. And the second method to take the screenshot, you have to open the quick settings, just like this. And from this, you will have to actually find the screenshot icon. If for some reason you cannot find this icon, I can recommend you to click on this icon to edit, click to edit full page, and now just find take screenshot icon. So click and hold it and drag, for example, right here between the auto rotate and the flashlight, click done. And now if you want to capture your screen, just click on this and the screenshot will be taken. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.